Hello guys, it's me Aryan back here with part 3 of how to make your own action figure. Well, in today's video, we'll be making the upper torso of Venom. So let's get started. So today, basically, we are going to put a ball joint over here. That's the first time I'll be showing all how to do that. So first, what I want to do is take your wire cutter and just cut it till there. There. Alright. Just trim off the extra tape. I'll tell you why I'll have to do that. Just like that. There. Because more pointy. Now, all you'll have to take a bead. Yeah. Just a bead. That will be the ball. So, just fit it in. Just like this. Goes in. Now, take Fevikwik or super glue. Whatever you'll use. And just stick the bead. Stick it well. I don't want this to come off when you're moving the figure. Right, let that dry. Till that time, let's make the socket. As usual, take tape. You may already be knowing what I'm going to do. Non-glued part on the outside. Sorry, glued part on the outside, non-glued part on the inside. Well, another strip, just like this. Uh, yeah, and do the opposite. Non-glued part on the outside this time. Stick it like this. Yeah, it's like that. There. Right, like this. This is sticky and this is non-sticky right here. Glued, glued, not glued. So just now take the non-glued part and just wrap it around the ball or the bead. Just like so. Alright guys, it broke here. So this is a good example. This is why I'll need to wait for it to dry and see that it sticks firmly. So let me just stick this again. Okay guys, I'm back and it has dried completely now. So let's start with this, the socket. As I was saying, just wrap this, hopefully it doesn't break again. And no, it won't because it's dry. And just like that, and cover the top too, just like that. See, so now it's a ball joint like this, and plus it hinges down, hinges back. The hinge supports that too, gives better range. uh yeah. Now we'll be making the shoulders, so we'll have to make the shoulder joints now. So let's start with that. Again, I think I will already know what I'm going to say. Do I need to say it? Okay, fine, I'll say it. Same thing. No, non-glued part on the inside, glued part on the outside. Only thing this time, uh, take a toothpick and just start rolling it again, like what we had done for the thighs, the crotch piece, leg joints. Start rolling it. Don't make it too big. I'll tell you all why later. So maybe a little more. Now this all depends upon the size of your figure. Mine is, it goes to the range of about 5 inches, so that's why it's a little small. So yeah, I think this is fine for now. So make another one like this. right there, just like that. Okay, just remove the toothpick now. This part over there. Now keep these aside. Take some cardboard, again thin, don't want the thick one. And depending on the figure size, decide your size. So now since mine is 5 inches, I'm going to cut it till maybe here. Yeah, that's fine. So just a small rectangle, that's all I need. Yeah, there. I'm going to cut that in half. Now what I want to do is roll this, just like this. So roll it like a cylinder. Cut off the excess cardboard, it's not needed, and tape it right there, just like that. Yeah, cylinder, just like that. Okay, now what I want to do is take super glue again and just stick it to one of these disc hinges. Be careful at this part because you don't want a figure breaking right here. This is a very critical part where it may break. It's very weak, so be careful. uh, Put a little extra glue. There. Well, again now take a strip of tape. uh, Again the same thing, non-glued part on the inside, glued part on the outside, and wrap it over this again, just like that. That will just strengthen the joint a little more, give it more strength. So you can see that the disc hinge is also become a little bigger at the same time. That's why I made it small earlier. Right there. See? Now it's fine. Again now just put some glue there. This will just make the joint a little stronger and will prevent it from breaking. Right. Now fill the hole with some gum and just like that, and brush it over the disc so those layers don't come off. And yeah, do the same thing for the other one. Well, yep, just this. And alright, I'll see you again after I make the other one. Alright. Okay guys, I'm back. These have dried now, at least kind of. They're good enough. Because we won't be requiring these joints right now. All we'll need is this socket. So now we'll need sellotape. And this is the only joint in the whole figure that needs sellotape. So let's use that. So again take a small piece of cardboard here. Take a sellotape there. Just stick it on this. Just like so. Just like that. Cut off this extra plastic tape, the sellotape. Just like that. Don't need that. Okay. This. Now take one of your joints. This. Like this one. Just wrap this around the not a stick like thing, the joint. This is going to be the socket for that. Okay, just let me just bend this to make it much easier. Just wrap it like this. That made it much easier. So bend it, guys. If you can't do it, just like after you put it on till there. A tape, thin piece. So wrap it. Stick tape. Give it a tight fit. Just like that. You don't want a joint to be loose. Yeah. See? So it's going to rotate like this. Okay, let me just show you how to fit one in this. So now as you can see, this is just too big, just really big. So we'll have to cut that. So just like this, maybe. Yeah, yeah, till there. Yep, that's fine. That's good. Again, strip of paper and just stick it in there like that. Stick it there. Yep. Repeat the same thing for the other side. I'll just do that and see you again. Alright, guys, I fixed this and this is what it looks like. A bit like Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Anyways, so yep. So now I can see the arms will rotate like this. And even here. That. So okay, guys, I'll see you in part 4 of how to make an action figure. Bye.